We'll start with the third sum. Find the distance between point P x1 y1 and point Q x2 y2. Therefore, the given points are P x1 y1 and Q x2 y2. But here the case is not normal. They have given the condition that PQ is uh, parallel to the y axis. So if I draw that Cartesian coordinate system, then this PQ is parallel to y axis. See, if it is parallel to y-axis, then the x coordinate of P and Q will be equal. This will be the condition when PQ is parallel to y-axis. So here I can say that x2 will be equal to x1 because PQ is parallel to y-axis. Therefore, if I apply the distance formula between P and Q, so x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. But as x1 is equal to x2, I can replace the value of x2 as x1 plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So here 0 plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So square and square root will get removed and your answer will be mod y2 minus y1. Why I am taking mod is it is distance, and distance should not be in negative. It will never be in negative measurements. So I have to take mod y2 minus y1 or else y1 minus y2, whichever is suitable. You should subtract, but the distance should not be in negative value. Here the next case given here is now PQ is parallel to x-axis. So we'll plot this condition on Cartesian coordinate system. Here you can see that PQ is parallel to x-axis. If it is parallel to x-axis, then y coordinate of points P and Q will be equal. Therefore, here y1 is equal to y2. So, if I apply the distance formula x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So, as did earlier, this y1 minus y2 will get y1 minus y1 whole square. I can replace the value of y2 as y1, and y1 minus y1 will give me 0. So, I am left with the I will take mod x1 minus x2. So this is the distance between PQ point. If PQ is parallel to x-axis, that is mod x1 minus x2. Again, I am taking mod because this represents distance, and distance is never negative. So I have to take mod. That is fourth question. Uh, Find a point on x-axis which is equidistant from the point 7, comma 6 and 3, comma 4. So we will assume let the point on x-axis be x, comma 0, which is equidistant from points A 7, comma 6 and B. So according to the given condition, uh, distance PA will be equal to distance PB, as this point P is equidistant from point A and point B. Therefore, the distance between PA will be equal to the distance between PB. As you can see that to find the distance between 2 points I have to take square root, so I will start with the square. Taking square on both the side will give me PA square is equal to PB square, and this time I will not take a square root as I have take square on both that terms. So applying distance formula without square root, I will get this equation will give the value of x1 and y1. Here x1 is x, whereas x2 is 7 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square, and for PB it will be x minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square. So x minus 7 whole square, if I expand this, then I will have x square minus 14x plus 49 plus 36 is equal to x square minus 6x plus 9 plus 16. So here x square will get cancelled out. So 49 plus 36 minus 9 minus 16 is equal to 14x minus 6x. So this will be 40 and this will be 20. 49 minus 9 will give me 40, whereas 36 minus 16 will give me 20, and here this will be 8x. So I will get 60 is equal to 8x. So x will be 60 by 8. 4 2s are 4 15s are. So value of x is 15 by 2. Therefore, the point on x-axis is 15 by 2, comma 0. Uh, we'll try this fifth sum, where it is given that to find the slope of a line which passes through origin. So we are having one point, right? And another point is the midpoint of the line segment joining the point 0, comma minus 4 and 8, comma 0. So let's just roughly draw that points. So this is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. So this is my point B, 8, comma 0. Whereas this is my point A, 0, comma minus 4. So if I join these 2 points, then let's say M is the midpoint. So our line passes through origin and midpoint of this. So let M be the midpoint of line segment AB, where A point is 0, comma minus 4 and B point is 8, comma 0. So if I apply midpoint theorem, x1 plus x2 by 2, whereas y1 plus y2 by 2, then I will get the coordinates of m. So 0 plus 8 by 2 minus 4 plus 0 by 2 will give me m is equal to 4 comma minus 2. So slope of line passing through origin and m 4 comma minus 2 is, you know that the slope of line passing through 2 points is y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So this is my y2 minus 2 minus 0 upon 4 minus 0. I will get minus 2 by 4, which is minus 1 by 2. So the slope of line passing through origin and the midpoint of line segment AB is minus 1 by 2. See, in the next question, you have to prove that these three given vertices are the vertices of a right angle triangle, and you don't have to use Pythagoras theorem for that. So, can you just suggest me which method should I follow to prove that these are the vertex of a right angle
सर इसमें
triangle?
स्लोप वाली लगे,
Idea?
इसमें भी स्लोप ही लगेगा सर.
वेरी गुड, स्लोप. वेरी गुड. स्लोप के बाद क्या होगा? और कोई आइडिया? स्लोप लगेगा, दैट इज
सर ए बी का बी सी का पहले स्लोप निकालने का, फिर बाद में लास्ट में उनको मल्टीपल कर देने का.
see, we have the condition for the two lines to be perpendicular, right? Product of slope should be equal to -1. ये हम लोग ने पढ़ा हुआ है. अगर दो लाइन के स्लोप के प्रोडक्ट का आंसर -1 आता है तो ये प्रूव हो जाता है कि वो दो लाइन परपेंडिकुलर लाइंस है. और राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में भी एक एंगल जो है वो 90 डिग्री होता ही है. सो द गिवन vertices of triangle ABC are, A पॉइंट दिया हुआ है 4,4, तो वेरी गुड बेटा. B 3,5 and C -1, -1. Therefore, we'll find the slope of line AB, which will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So 5 minus 4 upon 3 minus, this will be my x1 y1, this will be my x2, right? So 1 upon -1 minus. Now I will find the slope of BC line. For that, the formula will be same only, but the coordinates will change. Here my y2 is -1 -5 -1 -3. So this will be -6 by -4, 3 by 2. Whereas the slope of AC will be y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So -1 -4 upon -1 -4. So I think we are getting the same term. So it will get cancelled and answer is 1. So here you can see that slope of AB multiply by slope of AC is equal to -1 multiplied by 1 is equal to -1. Therefore, I can say that AB line is perpendicular to AC line. So I can say that measure angle A is 90 degree. Therefore, triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. ठीक है, ऐसा हम बोल सकते